My dad always used to say, where you end up depends on how you begin. And he was usually right. Like with this roofing job.
It turns out that wind damage can be traced back to the first row of shingles. If that's not done right, the whole roof can fail.
That's because here, along the eaves of your roof, wind currents can get underneath and actually push upward on your shingles, which can cause them to loosen and become more susceptible to blow-offs. And that's one roofing term that needs no explanation. Our installer said he always uses Owens Corning starter shingle products. They give you a cleaner edge than you get from a hand-cut starter course. But most importantly, he said, this lets him make sure that there's a secure seal where it matters most. Turns out he's not a fan of blow-offs either. You know, when it comes to roofing, I'm still no expert, but with everything I'm learning about the Owens Corning Roofing Essentials products, I feel confident that we're making the right choices for our home.